Oh man, welcome. What's going on? Hey, this is Jake, known famously for Live at 8:05 on the Bob Hook Facebook channel, and I want to introduce you guys to my crib. What's going on? Hey, I would take you inside, but it's a little messy right now, but let me take you out back, and I'm going to show you a couple things that we have available over here in my crib. And guys, this is my Bolt EV 2018 that I use to get around the property, and it's gonna be an awesome ride, and I love this thing. And again, this is all electric, so why don't you guys come and follow me. So on this property, we're sitting on 16 acres. We have 6 different buildings in total, and I have my awesome car collection sitting over here to the right. We are passing service. We have our body shop, parts department that we're coming across, and we are gonna go up to detail, and I'm gonna show you a little bit about our detail department. Look, we got Chuck over there cleaning up some vehicles. This is where we get the vehicles ready. What's going on, Chuck? Down? I see you, big dog. Peace. This is where I get my vehicles cleaned up. You know, keep them fresh, keep them looking good. You wouldn't see a house with a whole detail department, but we got one. And you know, where you would see some of my Facebook and Instagram and Twitter posts might come from the photo booth. And look at that, it's got that big Bob Hook logo on it. I know, there's a Ford in there, but that's all right. And then we can run through our parts department. This is my collection of parts that we would have. It has multiple levels right up here. I could hop up there, but you know what? There's people up there. One of my favorite pieces of collection that I have is my muffler collection, and I'm glad that you guys can see it. Look at all these mufflers, man. Oh my, oh my. And look, we got Marvin over there, and yeah, welcome to our crib. If I take you down this way, and we're going right through the parts department. What's up, what's up? What's going on, guys? Hello. As you can see, you got the 5-car garage, and we got the famous David Stoner right there who's hiding. And as we come through here, we got more of our collection of parts right here. If we slide through here, here's just a few of my trucks that we distribute some of these parts with. But again, I gotta keep up with my collection, right? So I have to find a way in order to get parts out and bring parts in, and that's why I have all these trucks. We got multiple golf carts sitting here. We got a loading bay back there. Gaze at this illustrious collection of my parts. So then I think we need to hop back in the car, in the Bolt. You know, as you're gonna see it, you got our illustrious body shop. And I gotta show you a few things so you think that this is gonna be really, really cool. We got our multiple office space right back here. This is where we give estimations as to the damage that I've done on my cars. And you know, if you're looking to see how we switch cars from gold to red and red to purple, we got our body shop technician Mike, who can change anything and everything to any color that he really wants. If it's Friday night and I'm wearing purple and I'm really feeling it, and I want to turn my Chevy Corvette Z06 to purple, my boy Mike over here got me. He can do this right here. This is a really state-of-the-art equipment piece that can change anything we want into any color imaginable. And we also have the paint booth that's back here, where we go on and mix and paint. All right, so check this out, man. If you want to make any color, like I said, you hit this guy up, and he's going to show you a little bit about how you want to make any different color. So I need purple, man. Give me that purple. Oh my gosh, there's I don't need that Daewoo purple, I need that Chevy purple, man. So you gotta type in the code, you gotta type in all that little masterwork right there. But again, this is where all the color options come in. You take a little bit of spray here, a little bit of spray here, and this will get you changing from colors to the next. Look, I see a purple right there. Look at that. Would you just look at all of that? That's right. Yo, check this out. This is where I can keep up to 32 vehicles on any of these bays up in here in our shop. We got people running around, doing their thing, fixing the cars that we need fixed. All right, guys. From here, hop in. I want to show you a little bit about my collection that I have right out front. Now, let me show you my personal collection of vehicles right here. Look at this. I've had this one since last week. This is that black on black Chevy Silverado, and it is an RST with 0 miles. Let's go. And then I got more Silverados. I got this little Buick Regal over here. You know, sometimes I just want to feel casual. I'll drive around in the Equinox. Sometimes I need to pick stuff up. Sometimes I'll drive that Nissan Frontier, that Canyon, and to sit them in a Suburban, which is why I got a Suburban in my personal collection. But you know, a lot of the time, I'm just running around in something like one of these trucks. Now, we like all kinds of different brands: Ford, Ram, GMC. You know, I got my other little bitty collection of some sports cars. As you can see, you got the Dodge Challenger right over there, sitting on 20s. I got that Hyundai Sonata. Look at that Honda Civic SI. That is sharp. That is my day-to-day car right there. And then we got the Chevy Spark. You know, if I'm just feeling a little bit red, I might just drive that around. Let my girl borrow that sometimes. But then, you know, if I'm going over here, here's my police cruiser Tahoes and Suburbans. I use it for my private security. And then here's some other collection of cars that I have wrecked or needed repaired in the past. But you know, we got that, so that's all right. But since you guys have already seen my personal collection, I need to show you guys the showroom, and it's the office. And you know, as I would say, that's where all the magic happens. Just gotta plug this thing in, man. So check this out. Gotta wait till this thing hits the green light, then you'll know it's charged. Boop. All right, let's go inside. Come on in here and let me show you where all the magic happens. As you can see over here, we got the manager's tower. That's where all these busy people are working right here. We got all these awesome office spaces right here. Before I get to my desk, let me show you this little echo chamber. If I stand right under here, I hear an echoing noise. This is where it looks like I do work. Just, you know, typing on my computer. That's not my password, guys. Don't even think about my password. This is a close personal friend. Shout out to Jennifer Lawrence right there. See, look, she got her own little signature right there. And this is of her Volt. Now, obviously, that's not the all-electric version like I have that you're seeing me drive. But yeah, this is just one of the pieces of art. Shout out to Jennifer Lawrence. As you come through here, you have some of the Chevy artwork. This is some history of the dealership right here. This is breaking ground right here of the dealership that we're at currently today. And you have another waiting area right here. Look at the big size TV, multiple TVs right there. And real quickly, let's slide through this hallway. I'm gonna show you some more of the artwork. Awesome, illustrious rewards right here. Bob Hook Chevrolet with the Fantasy Factory. Some other artwork right there. And as I'm sliding through this hallway, oh man, look, there's Bob Hook. That is Bob Hook III right there. What's up? Yes, let's go. Here is some more history right here. This is what the dealership looked like many, many, many years ago. But not a lot's changed. It's still the same ownership, still the same great people. We're very, very thankful that you guys could come join us. And you know what they say, get the heck out of here.